welcome. Alright. So what are we eating today? Yo, Adam's channel, what's good, man? What's poppin', what's poppin'? Beautiful view. Yeah. Most definitely. Ja Morant, what's good? See you checking in. This is some brown stew rice, brown stew with chicken. I mean, with white rice and with some corn. I'm doing construction. Nah, but this place is being still construction work going on here, as you can see. Some piece of board here and pipes. You see tools. So that right there is a drone. That right there is a drone right there. And got some pieces of board and pipes. Yeah, appreciate everyone tuning in. Yo, Garrett, what's good, man? How you doing? Workout program. So, if you guys want to list like some of my workout drills, like in the community posts, I'll be happy to do that for sure. Like it, I'll be J England, what's good, man? You got IG, Instagram. Yeah, I got an Instagram, but I barely like post over there, you know. Honestly, I'm mostly active on YouTube, and I'll make like one post daily on TikTok. You know, mostly YouTube. I make like one post daily on TikTok. Looking beautiful out there. Yeah, appreciate you guys, man. This is a beautiful view here, man. 2-story high. definitely beautiful view here. Beautiful view, guys. I'm telling you. Alright, so don't forget to smash that like button. Alright, everyone watching, just hit that like button, okay? So in case you guys wondering, we're eating some brown stew chicken here. White rice with some corn. Nothing crazy. Something simple, you know? Like to donate, we got super chat. Or yeah, if you want to donate to YouTube, remember we got super chat. Or you can become a paid member. We got a link in the description. Or if you want to, I don't know, donate to my what is it again? To PayPal, you let me know. All right. YouTube take 30%. Yeah, it's a partnership, man. That's how it goes. So I'm eating, as I said, brown stew chicken, white rice, and some corn. Well detailed. It is, man. It is. So, at least I want you guys to do just smash that thumbs up button. All right. Don't forget, everyone watching right now. Let us try to help us to get at least 10 likes. All right. So hit that like button. So for those who don't know, I'm here. This is Jamaica, all right. This is Jamaica. This is a rural parish in St. Catherine. As you can see the mountains in the background. This is Jamaica, all right. Do you eat that every day to build muscle? No, I don't eat it daily, but I would say that I eat rice often. I eat chicken maybe every 2 days I'll eat chicken, but I don't eat chicken like every day either. I don't eat rice every day. Every 2 days I try to eat rice. When you can cook on your own, bro, nothing beats that. Trust me, it's the best. Everyone watching, I know I'm not working out as usual, but please hit that thumbs up button, alright? Please smash that thumbs up. If you want to support, the least you can do, just hit that thumbs up button, alright? Support. Any luck? Sub, thank you for the sub, appreciate it. All right, respect, man, respect. And do you do personal training? There's a lot of African trainers on YouTube. I'm sorry, barely see Jamaica trainer, but glad came past his channel. Once more, warm welcome. Appreciate you all tuning in, man. It's a pleasure sharing the journey. So the thing is, I've been working out now for over 8 years, so I got a lot of knowledge, you know. So if I want to do like personal training on this side, I can, because we're getting a lot of knowledge over the years, you know. So everyone watching, please take the time out to just hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out. All right, just hit that thumbs up. If you can't donate, at least just smash that thumbs up button. Please help us to get at least 100 likes on the stream. All right. Drop a comment. Let me know where you guys watching from. So you just start now working out. What do you do? What do you do? Calisthenics, cardio. What do you do? You work out at the gym. You do weightlifting. Let me know what you do, man. Real facts. What's good? You're from America, but have dual citizenship in Africa. Oh. Yes, so once more, welcome to everyone. Please take the time out, guys, smash that thumbs up button. Even if you don't know me, just hit that thumbs up. If you like the view in the background, hit that thumbs up button, alright? Smash that thumbs up, guys. Please help us to get 100 likes. The first, let's get at least 10 likes on the stream. Is that Dayan? Is that Dayan? I don't know. Is it Dayan or Dayan Carter? Oh, up on my right. Welcome to the stream. I see you join. Appreciate everyone tuning in. What are you eating? I'm eating some brown stew chicken, white rice with some corn. Nothing crazy. So. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, alright? If you see me your first time here, welcome. Hit us, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to drop a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. I know we got people here from America. Looks yummy. Unknown boy, what's good? Appreciate y'all, man. Yeah, this is a very delicious and easy prepared meal. So so you guys in the stream that do bodybuilding, this right here is I'll say one of the easiest prepared meals to prepare and eat at least every other day. If you don't got corn, you can get beans. You can use beans or beans. The thing is, you don't want to just steam only the white rice only in the seat with the chicken. You need like some peas or some beans to get some extra nutrients, right? If you don't got that, then you love the corn, you can use the corn. So you're watching from Toronto, Canada. Ontario, I don't know. Yeah. I still got people watching and not hitting that like button. I don't know why. A lot of people watching and not even hitting that thumbs up button, man. I don't get it. Smash that like button, guys. Come on, man. You want to support, man. The least you can do is hit that thumbs up button. That's how you're supporting the channel, alright? Appreciate it. Leave a comment. Drop your country, the name of your country in the chat. And drop the flag of where you're watching from. Yeah, it is, man. I know. Yeah. Hey, Carter, have a good one, man. Welcome. Appreciate it. So smash that thumbs up button, alright, guys? Yeah. Appreciate the support from the long-time supporters from day one. It's all love and respect. Stay tuned. You can just tap your screen to also like the stream. I think tap your screen on your phone to like the stream. Or you can just click at the top and hit that thumbs up button. Do you love God? Yes, I do, man. That's the reason why I'm alive right now, right? That's the reason why I'm here. So I believe in the living God. Yeah. I do love God. I do fear God. So yeah, guys, with that being said, man, this here one of the easy to prepare meal I would recommend. Brown stew chicken, white rice with corn. If you got peas or you got beans or you got is it lentils? Lentils, you can use those. Some extra nutrients. Yeah, man, that's how it is, man. Can you guys hear that? So much. It just plays us peace. The only thing you can hear is just like the trees with the wind. You can hear the birds in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear the birds. Wait, Ja Morant. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shout out to you. Respect. So Ja Morant once more, shout out to you. Respect, alright, thank you. Yeah. And for anyone here that's been watching the channel for a while and you wanna support monthly, remember there's a link in the description. If you wanna become a member of the channel, wanna become a paid member, the link is in the description. You can become a member and get access to perks, you know, some exclusive content like some scene from Jamaica or some videos or whatever, you know. Once more, appreciate you guys, appreciate all the new viewers, subscribers. Welcome to the family. You want to support? The least you can do, just hit that like button. Just tap on your screen. And just click on the top right there and hit that thumbs up button, alright? Help us to get at least 100 likes for today's stream. Hold on, I'm gonna try to get the membership. Okay, man. Try not to send. I was trying not to send through here, but you're welcome. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Hey, Carter. Appreciate it. Thank you. Let's keep going, huh? The membership link is right in the description section. You're gonna see join. You're gonna see that join link. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it is there. So what you're gonna do, you see right way in the description section where you see join to get access to perk. You're just gonna copy that link. Copy that link and right there and just put it in your browser. So that link in the description where you see join channel to get access to perk in the description. You copy that link, copy it and put it in your browser, and that's how you're gonna get to become a member. Put it in your browser and then you're just gonna do what you need to do. Alright? Yeah. Yeah, so you go in the description right here. You're gonna see that link. If you can click on it, I think you can click on it. So if you can click on it. Or just copy it and put it in your browser. Yeah, chat. So today, man, I don't know, man, just beautiful, bro. Cool breeze blowing. Nothing but the trees. I know you guys can hear the trees in the background. So peaceful, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, alright? Smash that thumbs up. Alright, so you live in Africa, live in Jamaica. This is Jamaica. What's good? Appreciate you tuning in. Jamaica. Yeah. Most people that travel to Jamaica, like most tourists, they don't really get to see this side of Jamaica here, man. You know, they're always they mostly travel to just Montego Bay, Negril and Kingston side. outer area side, you know, you don't really get to see the rural side of Jamaica. Yeah, place here it's just so cool, man. This time of the year is just cool. It's not too cold and it's not too hot. That's the perfect temperature. Or what is that you're eating? I'm eating some white rice, brown stew chicken, and some corn. Almost finished now, so almost finished. Think you did it? All right, Morant. Yeah, if you did it, man, just welcome to the family once more, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much for your generosity, man. Respect, all right. Yeah, man. Over here it's just all about just more simply motivation and inspiration, you know. Sharing the journey every day. It's my pleasure, man. Because we got a lot of people out there that got access to, you know, like Jim. And that's much more fortunate. Still find an excuse, you know, not to keep going, not to work out, you know, not to put in the work. You know, and I got limited resources here. I'm still making it happen, right? No excuses, so it's just simple motivation over here, man. Simple motivation. I know you guys rather to see me when I'm doing like workouts on my live streams, but I don't know. I'm gonna soon start doing back some workout live streams, alright guys? So yeah, man, just stay tuned. I already know, man. Today we're just chilling. We're gonna work out later on, but I don't know. Just say they know what I'm just gonna stream, you know, my chilling meditation session, you know. What is my name? My name is I'm gonna tell you guys my real name. So my real name is Tamark. It's a very unique name, you know. You're not gonna hear it anywhere else out here. So my real name is Tamark, you know. Very unique. It's creative. What's creative? Is it my name? Unique, huh? Yo, Anderson, what's good, man? See you checking in. What's good? What's good? Yo, Anderson, what's the weather there, man? How you doing? I'm doing good, man. You know, could have been worse, but right now we're grateful to be here. You know, chilling. But so for everyone watching, how's the weather there, guys? Oh, my name is Creative. Appreciate it, man. Unique, huh? Yeah. You working? Hey, Carter, thank you. Doing good, thanks. Yeah, I'm doing good, man. The weather here, phenomenal, bro. Beautiful weather here, man. So, and this, as I said, how's the weather there? Everyone watching, how's the weather where you guys at? Everyone watching, how's the weather? Yeah, weather's not too good here. LOL. Can't complain though. Ah, yeah. Great, because before you know it, it's summer. Summer again, you know? Right before you know it. It's kind of cold here, but not too bad. Okay. Alright, man, alright. Nice job, it's so cool, appreciate it. Got a great idea for 50 like you do 10 push up. Yeah, that sounds good, man, but I don't know. I got people watching and not even, liking the stream. But if we get to hit 50 likes, alright, I'm just gonna say if we hit 30 likes, I'm gonna do push up. I'm gonna do 10 push up for every 10 likes. We're gonna do 10 push ups. Alright, so as soon as we hit 20, so when we hit the 20 likes, we're gonna do 10 push ups for like every other 10 likes. Alright. So let's get us to 20. So as soon as we hit 20, we're gonna do, so smash that like button if you haven't already, alright? Every time we hit 20, we're gonna do 10. From then we're gonna hit like 10 push up every time we get 10 more likes. So every time we get 10 likes, we're gonna do 10 push up. We only have 2 seasons instead of 4. What is that? Winter and summer. Is it winter and summer? Oh, change the title. Okay. All right. Okay. Guys, so as soon as we hit 20 likes, we're gonna start doing like 10 push-ups every time we get 10 likes. So 10 likes equal 10 push-ups, all right, or 20 push-ups. Let me know what you guys think. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, all right. Want me to work for the likes, but I respect that. It's all good. It's just how it is. Nothing in life comes free, so it's just how it is. I have to work for it. And my long-time viewers know that when I'm working. I don't play. Put in the work. You're gonna stay for a little bit more, okay? All right, appreciate that. Anderson's always motivating. Anderson, thank you so much, man. Shout out to you, man. Respect, always, man. Respect. Thank you, man. Yeah, but it's just how it is, though. I understand. Because I'm gonna tell you guys my preference. When I'm watching like live streams, and if it's someone that I know that is very hardworking, I'll definitely support them. That's who I'm gonna support, right? That's like-minded. As long as I know you're putting in the work, and I see the videos, that's who I'm gonna support. what you're capable of. I see the work you're putting in. I see the energy. So I'm definitely gonna support you, right? Yeah, it's just how it is, man. Basically, Mother Nature isn't playing with us. How do you like living in Jamaica? I love it, man. You see, otherwise from the, I'm in the rural side, so to get the only yeah, it's extremely slow here in terms of like with job or business, but when it comes to like a peace of mind, fresh oxygen, oh my, it's so cool. You can chill here, relax. It's the best place, man. So it's the best place to be. So peaceful. Don't have to worry about crime or violence. It's just chilling, man. So honestly, I love my country, bro. I love it. The only way I would like interested to travel overseas was to get maybe to earn like different currency, or for maybe just the experience different country, maybe a vacation or whatever. But otherwise from that, I love Jamaica, man. I love Jamaica. I want to build my house here. I want to raise my family here. Yo, Seng, what's good? What's good? How's it going, man? Appreciate you joining, man. What's good, man? So Morant, if you did like if you became a member, that's how your name is gonna appear in the chat. If you became a member, yeah. Jamaica looking beautiful as always. Yeah, man. Appreciate you joining. Seng, right? Yeah, your Nav, what's good? I see you joining. What's happening, man? I visit Aruba. I want to go to Jamaica, maybe probably get citizenship there as well. It looks beautiful. Yeah, bro. For real. Does Damon Marley live nearby? No. It's close by though. Next, right beside us, like it's a parish right beside my parish. So yeah, it's safe to say, yeah, nearby, yeah. We finally got a mod. Yeah, I got a few modders, man. That people that mod on my channel. Sometimes they're not really here. Most of my audience are hardworking people, so I know most of you guys watching. I know you guys are hardworking, so they can't really not gonna be here all the time. But I respect that. I respect all you guys, man. And I appreciate you all, man. Yeah. Oh, honestly, I just rather to donate to the Source LOL. Yeah, you're good, man. You're good. It's all good. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. You're good. So Seng, I see you joining. So today we had some brown stew chicken with some white rice and just some corn, from my hand. So we almost finished already. Chilling right now, some cool breeze. Pollution around me. The place is just quiet. The only thing you can hear is just trees and birds. And maybe you can hear some rooster in the background. I don't know if you guys can hear the roosters, but that's what you call a peace of mind. Smash that like button, guys. Remember when we I just did donated to him for the bread and become a member for the exclusive bread. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, man. We start off by 10 push-ups, then say every 20 likes, 10 push-ups and 10 squats. Alright, so the thing is, as soon as we hit 20 likes, because it's at 14 right now, then we're going to do like 10 push-ups because we hit 20. And then after that, when we hit 30, we're going to do 10 more. When we hit 40, we're going to do 10 more. That's how we're going to do it. So just smash that like button. Alright, guys, let's get it. And you said I should do like 10 squat. Yeah, I'm done for that, man. So we just need, I'm seeing we need 6 more here on my screen. Oh, they rather see they use 2 seconds of their time to click. Yeah, I know. Most people always, I guess they rather me to earn their likes, but especially new people that are new to the channel. How high is the building? It's 2-story height, just 2-story height. It's a family member building. You are so cool. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate it, man. They rather just look at the God. God, the God that's black man. Nah, bro. They rather see me doing some work, lifting some weights, lifting heavy, or doing some heavy squats. My audience love to see me putting in the work, to earn their likes and their respect. As I said, I respect that, man. It's just how it is, I respect that. I respect hard work. I know most of you guys respect hard work as well. That's how it is, man. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys something. Alright, so I want you guys to comment if you want to see like a whole factory, a whole slave factory, and some cane field that's already, like, they burn it and they cut it. So if you want to see that landscape with the cane fields, drop a comment right now. I'm going to show you guys it in high quality. Just drop a comment right now. Comment cane field if you want to see that right now. I'm showing you guys something beautiful right now. Yeah, it's a slave factory back in the days, man. And there's a lot of story behind it, Like a few years ago, like every time when it come to like the anniversary, you will hear like drums over there beating, like some ghosts over there beating drum every year. Not even joking, serious. But a lot of things has changed, man. Yo, Ronaldo clicks, what's good? All right, so you guys want to see that view? Just drop yes in the comment section. Okay. All right, guys, say less. basically a valley when you look at it. We're living in a valley. The whole place is a valley. Wait, so I just learned something. I realized this camera is more. Check this out. See the difference? Alright. What do you guys think? I'm gonna check the chat now because I left the phone over here. Alright guys, let's check the chat. Let's see what's going on here. I don't know what you guys think about that view, man. Let me know. Wow. Yeah, be careful on the edge. Yeah. Kingston? No, Kingston is way beyond. So I'll let you know which direction Kingston is. So Kingston is that way. Let me show you where. So Kingston is that way. I have to go straight that way to go to Kingston. Very, very, very close. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna be careful here, man. Gonna be careful here. This is no joke. Alright, everyone that's brand new, we need 4 more likes, and every time we hit like 10 likes, we're gonna do 10 push-ups. All right, each time we get 10 likes, we're gonna do 10 push-ups. Yeah, so view is incredible. Appreciate you guys, man. King Moon was good. Tell me your diet from morning to night. Oh, the camera is good. Yeah, it's an iPhone. It's an iPhone 12. You know, I know they already got an iPhone 16, but you know, all these iPhones are phenomenal, man. Phenomenal, you know. So diet, I recommend anyone that's doing bodybuilding, put in a lot of beans and peas in your diet whenever you're cooking, like rice, chicken, whether it be chicken and beef. It's healthy. Chicken and beef, because you don't want to eat chicken like every day. So if you can mix up your chicken with some beef, you'll be good. But and always don't leave out your lentils, your peas, your corn, and your beans. You can't, trust me, you can't go wrong, man. He said, you think you have to book a trip? Trust me, you're gonna have to book a trip, fam. Yeah, you're gonna have to book a trip, no joke. Beautiful country. So Seng, I see you. You still here, man? Appreciate you. Appreciate you once more, you know. Becoming a family. Rice with just about anything is good. Yeah. But at the same time, you want to make sure you're building that calories that you're burning. You know, rice is easy to digest. And out here in Jamaica, we eat a lot of yam, dumpling, banana dashi and stuff like that. You know. How many eggs do you eat? I'm be honest with you, man. It's been like 2 years now. I haven't eaten like eggs in like 2 years now. You know. So what I do, I mix my diet with oatmeal, cornmeal. Make sure I got milk and vanilla and stuff like that. Give me a second here, guys. Give me a second here. Rest day on Thursdays. Give me a second. I'll be right back real quick. Yes, higher level. Okay, chat. Let's go. Let's get to 20 likes. Can we get 20 likes? Remember when we hit 20 likes, we're gonna do some. You guys see that drone right there in the background there? Just chilling, man. All right, so we need that. We need 3 more likes for 20. Oh, you guys are seeing. Oh, we need 2 more. Okay, you guys are seeing a different number than me. Foods from another country are better here. Too, I love the watermelon. I'm from Jamaica. Watermelon. It's been a while since I consume watermelon and pineapple as well. Because pineapple, recommend like if you do bodybuilding, pineapple and banana. Some important fruit. Pineapple, banana, orange. 10 times better than watermelon. And if you can get some aloe vera, that's also good. Clean your system, you know. Ja Morant coming in with the super chat again, man. Thank you so much, man. Respect, shout out to you, man. Ja Morant. Respect to you, man. So W, thank you so much. I'm Anderson for that W for Ja. So if you guys can drop a W in the chat, I greatly appreciate that, man. Appreciate the generosity, man. Respect you guys. Thank you so much. Anybody wanna have a super chat war? I'm just playing. Oh, okay. This guy got jokes. Yeah, booking my flight. No, LOL. Anytime. We need 1 more like. Oh, we need 1 more for 20. Despacito. We don't get winter out here, man. We don't get winter out here. It's like this right through the year, and summer is when we get like maybe the max temperature about is it maybe 39, 38, 40, I don't know, degrees Celsius, because it's not in Fahrenheit like America out here. It's degrees Celsius. And as I said, we don't get winter out here. We might get chill, cold, or hot. That's it. Don't get cold out here. Where are you? I'm in Jamaica. So this is St. Catherine, Jamaica here. Appreciate you guys, man. Thank you all so much, man. I appreciate everyone that's brand new to the channel and supporting. Appreciate you guys, man. Thank you so much. Welcome to the movement where we try to inspire. I know right now we're just chilling and just talking a lot of crap, but most time you catch us over here doing we check out my contents. I do mostly fitness contents and contents to motivate, to inspire people to keep pushing, stop finding excuse, putting in the work. You guys get a lot of hurricane, like as soon as it touch I think from June straight until I think October, it's hurricane awareness months, so we have to worry at those times. You can get like a hurricane at any time. As soon as it touch like June, we have to worry about hurricanes every year. So last year we had like a hurricane and like I think about 3 or 2 tropical storms. The tropical storm was even much crazier than the hurricane, believe it or not. You want to be a supporter? You already supported, man, so appreciate it, man. Thank you. Yeah, and we try to do a stream at least daily. If we don't stream, we try to upload some shorts daily. maybe do a full form video every now and then. Yeah. Yeah. You work with some trainers from Africa. And the crazy thing is, guys, like around this, in this community where I'm from, most people here, they don't really like do the fitness thing like me or believe in fitness. Everyone around here just smoke and drink 24/7. Smoke and drink. Yeah, but the fitness out here though is getting popular. Maybe not here in my community, cause it seems like I'm the only one here that do the fitness thing. Especially when I'm in the public, like working out. You know, what I want to see, I want to see people like joining me. Coming here to work out with me. But I don't know when that's gonna happen, bro. I don't know, maybe in the future. I don't know. You rarely see trainers from Jamaica closer to the US. Yeah, maybe got a few maybe got a few people that's maybe doing like some bodybuilding thing like in the New York section. Maybe in New York you will see a few Jamaican bodybuilders, but out here I don't know. You got a few people, fitness influencers out here, but I don't really run into any personally yet. But I know we got other people out here that do fitness and maybe do training as well. All right, so 10 squats and 10 push-ups. Okay, bro. Ten squats, 10 push-ups. Okay, so I guess we're gonna just work with that for now then. Okay, chat. So each time we get 10 more likes, we're gonna do what we have to do. So see what I'm going now basically. Alright. Okay guys, so I appreciate you all, man. Good farm, appreciate it, thank you. Muscle man. I'll be honest with you, I'm Ja Morant. If you check out my previous videos, man, you're gonna see that I lost a lot of pounds, but we're still here doing it, man. I got the best as you can see, I got some good audience. Some good people following me, so you guys, believe it or not, you guys actually help to motivate me as well, to keep going. So appreciate you guys, man, and it's a pleasure sharing the journey with you guys, man. It is a pleasure. Bro, oh my days, man. Yo, Moran, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Respect. Shout out to John Morant again. Thank you so much, man. W, bro. I deserve a super chat. Thank you so much. Who or what motivate you to engage in training? I always tell people, like, growing up, you know, I think the poverty growing up, being unfortunate, and I was malnutritious. You know, I did suffer from malnutrition growing up. When I said suffer, I mean growing up I was super skinny, bro. Super skinny, I'll be honest with you. But I grew up in hard labor, you know. So, and I don't know, man. I was always obsessed with like lifting heavy weights, you know. And then back in high school, I used to play football. Even here in my community, we used to play football like every evening. And yeah, I was always just obsessed with fitness and weightlifting. And as I said, I grew up in hard labor. I used to build up my own yard myself, like with the cutlass. I don't know if you guys know what we call cutlass. We used to chop bush. So I used to clean up my yard like from back in primary school. I used to do most of the things for myself at a young age. So I grew up in hard labor. So yeah, I was used to the pain and the hard work. So I think from 2017, because I got out of high school from 2013. You know, so from 2017 though, that's when I took bodybuilding even more serious, and I built my own weights, homemade weights. Get some pipe and build it. 2017, and I start lifting, man. It's been crazy ups and downs, you know, but I don't know. Fitness it saved me, bro. I see people like John Cena, I see Kelly Muscle, I see Arnold Schwarzenegger, I see Ronnie Coleman. You know, those guys are part of my motivation, bro. I'll be honest. And I just start lifting. And what parish are you? Rooftop in St. Catherine. I'm working for my mud 100%. I got you, man. I got you. Where's you lost pounds? As in fat or muscle? In both, bro. Both. Honestly, both. Yeah. Told you I'm here to support. Appreciate you being here, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Your hard work definitely shows it works out for you graciously. I'm trying, man. I'm still trying, you know, growing up, as I said, I have to work for everything I want. I don't really got any role model. You know, I have to be my own role model. And trying to make it on my own, man. So, you know, it's not easy, but eventually, you know, as I said, I try to build a community with people like-minded. So believe it or not, you guys actually motivate me as well. You know, and I try my best to motivate you guys too. So just, you know, to keep going. Yeah, because I know that I'm over here trying to grow my platform. Try to build the audience. So yeah, man, it's a pleasure, man. It's a pleasure. Great story. I don't know, man. Hopefully one day I can actually put it in a video, document it in a video for you guys, man, to see, where I can explain like my full and show some picture of me back in the past, and you know, give you guys a full documentary or an interview, like who is Western, who's the real Western, right? So you can look for that in a future video, hopefully, for sure. Oh yeah, I know, man. Honestly, cause right, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. I'm still lifting crazy. Honestly, I'm still lifting crazy, man. But at the same time, there's some stuff that we're dealing with, you know. Yeah, I'm just here to motivate you guys, man. So I'm not really gonna go into details with some stuff, but as I said, you guys motivate me to, believe it or not. If you keep doing what you're doing, we'll help get you better there. Exactly. So that's why we're trying to, you know, stay consistent and yeah, going against all the odds. Don't care what the odds is stuck against me, I'm still going. Where your parents live near you, yeah. Yeah, parents are close by. I always scroll past you working out and cheer for you from my bed. I appreciate that though, thank you. At least, you know. Thank you. Yeah, your body status, I see you doing some big things. I'm trying, man, honestly. I'm just trying, guys. You know? Still trying. Because we have to start somewhere, right? Yeah. Hope your family are doing well. Yeah, they're doing well, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate it, man. Hope your family doing well as also. You know? Yeah. Was that your little brother in one of your shorts? No, my brother, no. I got like I got like 5 or 4 brothers. So I got another brother by my father's side, and I think I got 3 from my mother. 3 other brother from my mother's side, and 1 from my father's side. So I got 4 brothers right now. Yeah, but hopefully I can do a video with one of the bigger brother them. I'm the biggest one. I'm the first one from my father and my mother. So I'm the first one. I'm the biggest one. You know, for those who don't know, I'm 28 years old. And this year I'm gonna be like 29 this year. So you said the accent really come out just now? I don't know. The thing is, if I speak in Jamaican, patois, you guys not gonna understand what I'm saying. I'm just trying to speak so you guys can understand what I'm saying, you know? Are you close to them? Yeah, so my father, yeah, man, despite, you know, circumstances, you know, I didn't have the best parents, to be honest, but they're still here, and you know, and I try to just treat them with respect. Yeah, and I will do anything for them, bro. Despite how they treat me, you know, growing up, I will do anything for them. Still, yeah. You look amazing for 28. Thank you, man. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, I know. Even if I trim this off, still gonna look, I guess, you know, young. Because my father's side of people, you know, they don't really show age. They don't really age, you know. Be yourself, we can understand. Forgiveness is huge. You're inspiring, my bro. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate that, man. Yeah, and you're right, man. Forgiveness is huge. It is. You know, even though the memories are gonna still be there, you know. But whenever you forgive, I guess like a big weight come off your shoulder, you know. Yeah. Didn't make you bitter, still sweethearted, and that's a blessing. Oh man, thank you so much, man. Oh man, bro, this guy is the GOAT, man. Bro, you're awesome, man. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Ja Moran, thank you so much. Shout out to you, man. Respect, man. You're incredible. And thank you, Anderson. Thank you for that W for him. Yeah, W for you, man. It'll make you bitter, make you sweethearted. That's a blessing. Ah, yeah. The thing is, man, I don't know, man. I just learned the hard way, man. As I said, I didn't have any role model, and I'll be honest with you guys. I could have just followed through with it and do some crazy stuff or do some evil stuff, man. But I don't know. As I said, I think working out is what saved me. You know, to remain positive, because it's so easy to be negative or to do evil out here where I'm at. It's so easy to be negative and to do evil out here. Yeah, because that's what big people gonna even cheer for you to do out here. Because you know, in nowadays society, evil people praise evil a lot. You know, than to just remain conscious and positive. But whenever let me tell you, most people that do bodybuilding, bro, are in the military, are in the police force or whatever, and they build that true discipline. Are even a master like in karate or whatever, and they build that true discipline inside. It's gonna make you remain conscious, you know, and positive. So it's not gonna easy for people to get you out. You know, you're gonna definitely move more smarter or wiser. So that's why I always recommend fitness to everyone, bro. Because fitness saved me mentally, physically, every alley. So it's good to do fitness, bro. If you can do at least 10 push-ups a day, that's good. Yeah. I think that motivates you to work harder on your body and keep going. Or a light. I'm so happy to come across your channel. Thank you so much, man. That means a lot, man. And once more, I appreciate you guys, man. I appreciate you guys, because it's little things like this, you know, motivate us to keep going, to keep trying, you know. The best thing is stay kind, to be humble and keep doing you and keep the other side locked away. The true warrior is being kind and inspiring like you, bro. Damn, man, you guys are the best, man. You guys are the best, bro. Thank you guys, man. Appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Those experiences make you stronger, literally. Look. Man, I just, just grateful to be here, man. You know. And if I can motivate at least one of you guys, I know I'm not working out today as my normal or usual live streams, but if I can motivate just one of you guys on the stream, I'm alright. I'm alright. You know? That's how it is. It's all good, man. Let me finish up this thing. It's all good, man. Alright, so we got only 25 likes. You guys watching the stream, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, man. Let me finish this thing real quick. Don't really got much remaining here. Which you usually work out, like you taking break from crazy workouts. I like this sit down and talking to us. I'm still gonna work out, man. I have to. Even if I'm on the street, like maybe all day doing some work, shopping or whatever. You know, I get back home like anytime, maybe it's even late night or whatever, I have to work out, I have to still work out. So I can't skip working out. Yeah, man. So I'm still gonna work out later on. Sometimes I mean I know how it's always make my day when I'm working out and people join the live stream and said, "Yo, look at this guy. This guy using like literally anything what he have, to make it work. And a lot of people out there find an excuse. So I'd really motivate me as well, man. Not only motivate you guys, but to motivate me to keep going. Sometimes just sitting down and talking to people also motivate people. I guess sometimes, you know, in some way. So I'm gonna so I appreciate you guys for coming around, man. I agree and get to learn him as a person, yep. Whereas you usually stream only when you work out. Why don't you start streaming more during the day if you can? That's for real, bro. That's real. That's word. So I'm looking to start doing like some daily vlogs, like some vlog where, while I'm maybe going out or shopping to buy foods like to build muscle. Like shopping, I'm gonna like start to do some vlog where I vlog shopping, cooking, around the street, hanging out. I'm gonna start doing some vlogs and as well as some live streams as well. So I'm hearing you, man. Definitely looking forward to do some live streams like that. What the time there? It's 4:39 p.m. right now. Yeah, so I'm definitely looking forward to do some vlogs, man. I know some of you guys been asking for it for a while. Some vlogs, video, some full form video as well as some live streams. So yeah, man. Appreciate you guys who've been supporting the channel for a while now, man. Appreciate all the new subscribers, new viewers. You're welcome, man. Welcome. It's about the engagement, exactly. True supporters will come one, genuine supporters, yeah. Go by the schedule. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Want to get the subs up? Appreciate it. Yeah, I know, man. Trust me, bro. Trust me. I even if I don't really get to do that vlog or live streams like that soon, just know that it's in the thought process, and we're definitely thinking about it, man. I'm willing to do whatever. Definitely do some more shorts. Yeah, I upload like 2 shorts a day, but I'm probably gonna have to start uploading more now. I don't know. Yeah, so I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the tips, man. I appreciate the suggestions. Yeah, cause I welcome different ideas and views. So I appreciate what you guys saying, and I'm listening. Yeah. Or I'm looking. I'm seeing what's going on here. So, yeah, man. for sure. That would help you. That would help with getting noticed. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. So, trust me, we even this morning I did a record like a few shorts already. Yeah. So daily, I try to put in the word daily. I know. I know you guys want me to get out there, but at the same time, I'm trying to waiting for some, let's say, some gas, you know, before we like go out there and do some contents. So if you guys just see me recording some contents in this location only, just please bear with me. All right, give me some time. Just give me some time, because at the same time I'm trying to build the platform. So we have to start from somewhere, you know. And hopefully soon we can start go out there and just record contents in the streets of Jamaica. Some more different type of ideas and things. So I got a lot of ideas here for some future content. So please bear with me, alright guys. Trust me, everything is in the making. So just give me some time, man. Thank you so much. Thank you guys, man. Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate it. For sure. It's because we usually see you do your live when you're training, bro. Bro, I just bite my tongue, man. Crazy. And if you had got any time in the day, maybe 3 minutes suits you, homie, to get your name out there. Exactly, bro. Exactly. If you're working, it's gonna be tough. Yeah. Yeah, I expect it to be, as I said, nothing really come easy for me, man. Growing up, and I want to buy like my like want to buy a Xbox. I have to work hard for it. I want to build a PC. I have to work extremely hard for it. Doing, because I used to do like laborer work. I used to work on construction sites. Lifting up buckets with my bare hands. You guys, look at these. This is the best. This is the best of my hands, to be honest. So I used to work on construction site growing up, to to buy anything I want. I have friends from Meta and YouTube that helps with engagement and upping your subscribers. They will help with check marks too if you need any assistance. Oh man, I'll take any help I can get. For real. Because yeah, we're putting in some work. I don't really expect anything to come easy, to be honest with you. But what really motivates me is when I know I'm putting in some work and we see the little progress. If I'm not seeing the progress, well, even though sometimes I try to even double down, triple down, and go harder and harder. But we're seeing the progress, to be honest with you, man. We're seeing the progress. Because, to be honest, it's not even 1 year straight yet ever since I'm like accepted into YouTube partnership. It's not even 1 year yet, you know. So I'll say I'm going good, man. I say we just need to put in some more work and just keep going. Because as I said, it's not 1 year. It's not 1 year yet. ever since we been partner joined the YouTube partner program. So it's all good. Gonna see the hard work pays off for you in due time. Gotta as you here, as you are a chosen one. Yeah, that's what I tell myself, man. That's the mindset. That's the mindset, you know, because you have to see it, you have to believe it, you know, in everything we do, right? Before we can achieve it. So when we see it and we believe it, and we're putting in the work, and we trust the process, we keep doing our thing. I guess that's what we're gonna achieve, right? So yeah, that's why we keep going, man. That's why we keep going. Need to be able to contact you for details if you decide to. Definitely hit my connect up if you want. So my Gmail address is there. You can click on my bio. Click on my bio. You're gonna see my Gmail thing there. Send us an email, man. And I don't know. I take all the help I can get, man. To be honest. And we'll see what can happen. Love seeing small creators go to their goals. Once they're putting in the work, right? Yeah. Appreciate it, man. And that would be alright. So appreciate you guys for sticking around, man. Appreciate the support, man. Appreciate all the long time supporters. Everyone that's brand new to the channel. Appreciate all the love always. Alright, more than you can understand. Appreciate you guys. Love you all. So tomorrow, I don't know. Probably gonna work or do a live stream or work out. I don't know yet, but I don't know, man. Just stay tuned. Alright, guys. Make sure we subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that thumbs up. Yeah, I already messaged you. Alright, man. So mainstream fitness is so glad rather see the hard working small audience trainers. They have the best content. Alright. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Me too, bro. I appreciate people putting in work. Growing up, I always appreciate the hard worker. Because if you're not working hard, you're not gonna impress me, man. And if you watch all my previous videos or streams, then you'll see that we've been putting in some work. You know, at least we're trying. And we respect hard working. I love hard working. I respect it. I got so much respect for it. So it's what I do. So stay tuned, alright, guys. Catch you in another one. Love you all, man. Welcome to the family. Peace out. Stay focused, alright?